event, which is very important for our upliftment and knowledge. So, my dear friends, let me make you clear about this event. As we all know, chemistry can be described as three distinct levels, namely the microscopic level, that is visible and touchable phenomena, the microscopic level, that is atomic or molecular, and the symbolic level, that is representing matters in terms of formulae and equation. It is believed that students' ability to use all the levels of chemistry and representations and is necessary for understanding chemistry concepts and phenomena. But students find it difficult to connect between the different levels of understanding. It seems that students don't have the adequate understanding of the microscopic representation of molecules and the meaning of the symbols and formulae in chemical equations and the difficulty of understanding the 2D and 3D structures of molecules. So the science educators proposed several solutions to overcome these difficulties, such as integrating three-dimensional visualization tools and promoting the switch between different chemical representations. Researchers have found that integrating visual representations such as computerized molecular models, simulations, and animations in teaching may promote students' understanding of unobservable phenomena in science and afford them with the opportunities to make abstract concepts visible. Well, to enhance our knowledge regarding utilizing and the features of the ChemSketch software, I would like to request our Professor Dr. Neena Arora, ma'am, HOD of Chemistry Department, to introduce our invited speaker. Please, ma'am, come on stage.
Thank you, Shagufta. Om Shri Sai Ram. Today we are gathered here to learn how to use software to write chemical reactions, how to draw structure of compounds with the use of software. It's a privilege to have with us Dr. Rashmi Saxena, Madam, retired Professor of Chemistry, Government MH College of Home Science and Sciences for Women, Jabalpur, as resource person. On behalf of Department of Chemistry, Sri Sathya Sai College for Women, Bhopal, I heartily welcome our respected invited speaker, Dr. Rashmi Saxena, Madam. I welcome In Charge Principal, Dr. Jyotsna Galgale, Madam, my colleagues and dear students. Technology is rapidly changing the world. Today, there is almost no area of life which technology has not impacted. Technology is not an event. It's just part of everyday learning. Technology can become the wings that will allow the educational world to fly farther and faster than ever before. This is a time of technology. So we have to be updated with the latest technology, and we should use this technology in our curriculum, in our daily practices. And it is quoted that technology will never replace great teacher, but in the hands of great teacher, it's transformational. It is said by George Couros. We are fortunate to have with us a great teacher, our invited speaker, Dr. Rashmi Saxena. Before inviting her for her talk, I would like to introduce her with you. She is a retired professor of chemistry from Government MH College of Home Science and Sciences for Women, Jabalpur. She took VRS. She did her master's in chemistry from RD University, Rani Durgavati University in the year 1979. Then PhD in 1985 in analytical chemistry. She has 4 papers published in reputed journal. She has more than 35 years of teaching experience of UG and PG. Her topic of interest are spectroscopy, stereochemistry, reaction mechanism. Madam has delivered 15 lectures for UG and PG classes, which is under the scheme, virtual classes scheme of higher education, and these lectures are available on YouTube. Under e-content development scheme of higher education, she has developed 8 lectures on NMR for MSc chemistry and 2 lectures for BSc second year chemistry students on topic elimination reaction. She has a long administrative experience too. She has been course coordinator for the biochemistry. She has been coordinator for Next Steering Committee in 2003 and 2012, Review for Extension of Autonomy 3 times, UGC scheme College with Potential for Excellence, System Analyst for Development of Application Software for the College Management, that is MIS, in charge of ICT infrastructure of the college, in charge of UGC and other administrative bodies under UGC. She has been nodal officer for updating of information in higher education software. Now I request Dr. Rajvi Saxena, Madam, to throw light in how to use ChemSketch software. Madam, please.
Good morning, everyone. And thanks for inviting me, and thanks for such a nice introduction and your kind words. I really thankful Sathya College for inviting me for this lecture. I hope every student will be benefited by this. I don't know whether it is a hands-on practice or it is just a lecture. Ma'am? Hello? Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me? My voice is...
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ma'am, it will be just a lecture or it will be a hands-on practice?
Madam, it's a hands-on practice. We are practice. Yes, we have downloaded.
Because then the pace of my lecture will be like that only.
Yes, madam.
So, as madam told that ChemDraw is very useful software. So you will see yourself how useful it is. And what should be the medium of instruction, madam? It is Hindi or mixed language?
Mixed kar lijiye.
Okay, okay. So I will first share my screen. Is it visible? Screen is visible?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Screen is visible.
Should I start now?
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
So as you know, writing chemical formula in a correct manner, it is very, very important. And when we write on board, it is very easy. So we take chalk and duster and we go and write on board. But when there is a problem when we prepare PPT, यदि हमें किसी भी अपने presentation बनाना है, then it becomes very difficult to draw that is a chemical equation or formula on PPT. So usually what we do, we copy that structure from somewhere and we paste it on our PPT. But the size is different. So when we enlarge it, the pixels broke out. So it is a hazy structure. So there is a ChemDraw software which we can use. It is a free version. So, but they are so kind to give, I think, 90% facilities in this free software. But as an institute, one can purchase it for the purpose. Okay. So I have just opened you can open ChemDraw if you have loaded it. Then you can open a file here. Yahan se a new file you can open. This is the first point. Okay, first tab. Now, edit we know already. There is a tool. Okay, now pages. This is a very important. From this, you can insert a new page. This is the insert, short form is given. Change order. Suppose I have here in my presentation, I have 11 pages. Okay. If I insert a new one, yes, Now there will be a 12th page. There will be a 12th page. Now, if I wish to change the order, this is a change order. Now, current number, it is 2. Now I wish to bring it to the 1. This is the page number 2. Now, if I wish to bring it to at page number 1, and I will put here 1, then I will put OK. So that page will go to 1. Okay. Just a minute. See. Like this. So this is my page number 2. Where is the page number 1? This I have introduced. This was my page number 1, and I have introduced this, and this is page number 3 of 12. If I wish to insert it at the page first position, then what I will do? Change order. This is the page number 3. Position is 3. I will bring it to 1 and OK. So this will become the page number 1. Now see, this become the page number 1, and this is the page number 2. It is empty. This is the page number 3. Earlier it was page number 1. So like this, you can change the pages. Then there is a color change. If you wish to change the color of this page, now go to this color, and of your liking, you can choose light pink color. Okay. So it will become like this. So this is some certain tools to change the color and all these things. So previous, next, all these are the common. Header and footer is also there. You can use header and footer as such. Then these are the insert pages. This is a new page insertion, delete page, open file, save, print, and you can make the PDF of all these. This is a undo, redo, all these things. Now I will come to the major part. There are 2 buttons. One is a structure, another is draw. For writing chemical formula, we use structures. Okay, so I will go into page number, next page. My blank page, I will go first. This is my blank page. So this is the tool, which is the normal. On a structure, this is the normal draw. I will select this, and then I will select carbon. As soon as I will click on the screen, it will give methane. Okay. If I click again, it will become ethane. And at that 1 carbon atom, if I double click it, it will add 2 methyl more groups. Okay. So it will become 2-methyl propane. Now the same function we can do with the next button, draw continuous. There is a difference between these 2. Let us see what is the difference. First, I take normal carbon here like this. Then I take this continuous. Okay. Now, as soon as I click here, it is selected like this. Now there will be ethane. Again, I will click, it will become like this. Okay. If I wish to introduce 1 more methyl group, I will click here, and this is this. I wish to make 1 more methyl group, it is like this. Okay. Then here, like this. Now, if I want to introduce bromine here, see, this is the normal one. If I wish to add bromine, this methyl will be replaced by bromine. Okay. If I use continuous and bromine from here, and I put here, then it will be CH2Br. It means this bromine is substituted one of the hydrogen of this methyl group and bromine is there. What happened here? यहाँ पर उसने methyl group को replace करके bromine को लगा दिया. So this is the difference. Usually what we do, we use this continuous. Okay. Now if you wish to make a chain, continuous chain, it is bromine is, I have selected bromine, so it has given HBr. Okay. If I again add, click it, it will become bromine. Okay. So like this, it will be in a practice which you want to introduce. Now, one more thing. This is methane. Press control button. Then again, this is, I have taken continuous button. Then on this methyl, again add one methyl. On this third methyl, this is fourth. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 neopentane is formed. If I don't press shift button, then see what happens. I have added methyl, methane, then one methyl, one more methyl, another, this is. So if you wish to write this type of structure, this structure, okay, then you have to press the shift button. Only then the bonds will be at the right angle. Okay. Then you can select, this is the button for selection. Take it, just draw it. And this is the one, clean structure. Press it, the structure will clean like this. This is one of the way. Okay, if you wish to clean this structure, see what happens. This is structure. So this is the some type of structures we can write. Okay. Now we come to next page. Now this is, I have written methane. Okay. Now you go to chemical calculators. There is a chemical calculator. So first go to structure, we are at the structure, then go to tools. This is a tool. Okay. Now I will write ethane here. I will take carbon. I will write ethane. Okay. Then I will select it. Then I will go to tool. Okay. And at the end, there is a calculate. Okay. There are so many properties. Molecular formula, molecular weight, composition, molar volume, paracore, index, surface tension density, polarizability, बहुत सारे हैं ना. So if I write molecular formula, it will. This is copy to editor. Okay. Molecular formula, it will say it is like this. Again, if you go, select it, tool, calculate. Then there is a one, it says all properties. If you press all properties, select all properties, it will give parameters to all the properties. And there is a select properties to calculate. So there are so many properties. If you wish to have molecular formula, molecular weight, composition, we don't want refractivity, molar volume is there, paracore we don't want, refractive index don't, surface tension density we want, no? Polarizability we don't want, dielectric constant we don't want. Okay. Then if you wish, ये नहीं चाहिए हमको, monoisotopic mass, nominal mass, average mass. See, it also gives you in mass spectrometry, there is a M plus peak, है ना? M+1, ये भी मिल जाएगा आपको. So we will have molecular. Leave this. So this much parameters we will have. Okay. Now this tools calculate selected properties. Copy to. All the properties what we had selected has come. Is it clear? Madam, pass to nahi ho raha? Now it gives the molecular weight, composition, what is the percentage of carbon, hydrogen, molar volume, density. This is a nominal mass, 30 Dalton. Average mass, 30.069. M, itna. This is. So if I take here, if I wish to write methyl chloride, I will like methyl or ethyl chloride. Then I will take this like this. Then I will take chlorine. This is good. Okay. Then you go to tools. Control Z function will do. Now it will go to tools, generate. This is the calculator, selected properties. Now it has come. Copy to editor. ठीक है?
Yes, madam. हाँ जी मैडम.
हाँ, अब इसको अगर मुझे इसका नेम जनरेट करना है, अगेन यू गो टू टूल्स. Now generate name for a structure. Fluoroethane. Like this you can, it is your practice now, you can do anything. These are the functions. Now alkanes we have seen, we can form a very big chains like this, everything. Now how we can write alkene? So I will write here first alkane, ethane say. This is ethane I have written. Now this is the bond, normal wala. Then put again here. It will convert into double bond. Just click on the single bond. It will become double bond. If you click it one more time, it will become triple bond. Automatically number of hydrogens will reduce. Okay. So like this, if you have a big chain here, like this, if you wish to make butadiene, it has to be on the double bond, like this. So now what I have done here, this is 1 butene, 2 butene, whatever it is, whatever, wherever you want to put a double bond. If you wish to put a double bond here like this, and if you wish to remove this, now put here and again click 3 times. Hope I am not fast. Madam, pace ठीक है?
हाँ जी मैडम.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this is a, here you can have a, it is a geometrical isomer. So how you can get a name of this? Select this structure. Okay. Go to tools. Go to generate. Then stereo descriptor. It has given is E. Okay. It will not give you cis and trans. It will show E and Z descriptors. You can move it outside. You can put here like this. You can change the color. It is selected from the color code. You just click it. It will be red in color or black in color. Whatever you wish. You can change the color also. Okay. Now for the name again, just you select it. Go to tools, generate name for the structure. Now again it has given. Okay. Now it is selected. You just reduce it. Okay. I will put Control Z. Already written name. Now this structure, it is a diene, substituted diene. So the same thing. This is 2E, 4E, hexa 2,4 diene. This is 2Z, 4E, hexa 2,4 diene. So like this is all automatically generated. So where you have to go, it is, you are at the, it is not written here, of course, yeah, written here. The structure, go to tools, generate, and stereo descriptor. And the name. Now we, next, okay? Can I move?
Just a minute.
Yes.
Any doubt, sir? आप लोग का मैडम इसको प्लीज रिपीट कर दीजिए.
इसको मैडम
चलिए अभी जो आपने E and Z वाले.
अच्छा E और Z, ओके. ये तो पहले आपको स्ट्रक्चर आपने बनाया है ना, कैसे बना सकते हैं इसको, ये तो प्रैक्टिस से आ जाएगा. इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी वाली चीज नहीं है ना. यहाँ पे मैंने लिया, कितने कार्बन है, 1 2 3 4 कार्बन है ना. ठीक. Now there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons. Okay. Now there is a double bond between second and third carbon atom. Second and third carbon atom. You take this and put a double bond. Okay. Then double bond is here. You have to be at a double bond like this. Okay. So yes, you have to see the geometry at this carbon atom. Okay. So you have to write structure in this form only. Okay. So how? This is hydrogen. You have to select this continuous hydrogen and continuous and put it like this. Okay. Now put hydrogen here like this. Now you can see the geometry here. It is trans. Okay. See here, I will put hydrogen here, put hydrogen here. Okay. So this is cis. So this is it is Z and this is E. Now see, we have now I will select it. Structure will be selected. This I will select. Okay. Then tools, go to generate stereo descriptor. Isn't it? It is yes. Z and this is E.
Yes.
Okay. Now yes. If you wish to go for the name, it is selected. Then tools, generate, then name for the structure. 2Z4E. Because we write cis first, cis trans, hexa 2,4-diene. Okay. Now you can change into this. You just can put, select this part and you can rotate it. वो आप करें या ना करें, वो अपने धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस में आ जाता है ना, उसको कोई सिखाने वाली बात नहीं है कि इसको यहाँ से पकड़ के इधर ले जाएंगे, इसको यहाँ. It is not like this. है ना. Initially जब अपन ने framework बनाया है, at that point of time you can do all this. Okay. It is a practice. Now I come to third topic. Now it is three. Now it is easy to write alkyne also. You know, 3 carbon atoms, 1, then do go for the continuous, second carbon, control, it is third. Okay. Now you want to have a triple bond here, put a double bond and a triple bond. Okay. So it is terminal alkyne. This is internal alkyne. Now you can have a molecular formula from where? From the properties. Now select it. This is selection tool, calculate selected properties, copy to editor. Yeah. Molecular formula क्या है, weight क्या है, composition क्या है, volume क्या है, density, nominal mass क्या है, everything is. Okay. So this is alkynes. Now next page. Next page.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask a question, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, how do you replace hydrogen with bromine? Can you please explain once again?
Hydrogen with bromine. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Here it is. See, CH is written.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now go to continuous. This continuous way. Select bromine.
Okay.
No.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
If you go for the normal, this
Yeah.
for this portion,
That is what I was.
then it will replace carbon.
That is what you were.
Okay, like see here. See the difference between the two. I will select the first one, that is the normal. I select here bromine. I put on this methyl group. See, methyl will be replaced by bromine. Clear? But I wish to replace one of the hydrogen of this methyl group by bromine. Then you have to go to this continuous knob, continuous button. Then you select bromine here and click it. One of the hydrogen will be replaced. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now the name will change. Since I have introduced bromine here, name will change. Let us see. Tool, generate, name. 1 bromo, but 2 YNE. ना फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे ब्रोमीन आ गया. जब ब्रोमीन नहीं था, ये ब्रोमीन हटा दूंगी तो नेम विल बी दिस. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, how to draw 3-dimensional structure like this? Okay. For this, you have bonds, all these bonds. Clear? So, you know that writing of this structure, these are the bonds which are in the plane. है ना? इसके बीच पे कोई भी bond above the plane या below the plane नहीं हो सकता. Okay. So this is the continuous. Here I will write carbon. Now, I will remove this first. Now, if you wish to substitute the valencies by these groups, okay? So first take this continuous, take hydrogen, then take chlorine, then take bromine, then take iodine. Like this. Now select it. Okay. Now if you wish to have these two bonds continuous, okay, then make this as a coming upward, this bond. And you can rotate it. जो आपने bonds बनाए हैं, you can change it. Suppose this is the I with a bond coming away from above the plane. Okay, I wish to go to the back below the plane. I will change it. ये नीचे चला गया, यहाँ पे ऊपर की तरफ दिया हुआ है ना, down stereo bond. This is up stereo bond. Okay. Color change करना है. You take color from here. Select. Yeah. Select this. The whole structure is. It has become completely, bonds is not colored, it is still black. Now this is the double click करा यहाँ पर, there will be a color window. I will put red, apply. Okay. Like this, वो तो खेल है बच्चों का कि कौन सा कलर करना है, क्या करना है ना. You can have color of your own choice. आपने कर दिया. अब मैंने इसको क्या करा, यहाँ पे लिया, इसका मेरे को डिस्क्रिप्टर निकालना है. टूल, जनरेट स्टीरियो डिस्क्रिप्टर R. ओके. अब यदि इसकी मिरर इमेज बना दूं, यहाँ पर मिरर इमेज बना दीजिए आप. इसको सिलेक्शन देखिए, बहुत कितना आसान है काम. ये जो एक टूल है इंस्टेंट टेम्पलेट, देखा आपको. गो टू इंस्टेंट टेम्पलेट, सिलेक्ट इट, पुट हियर, जस्ट क्लिक, स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉपीड, और राइट क्लिक कर दीजिए, वो अपना डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. ठीक. अब मुझे क्या करना है, मिरर इमेज बनाना है. सो हियर इट शुड बी हाइड्रोजन and I will replace the two. So I will take hydrogen here, I will put here, I will take iodine here, put here. Okay. So this should be now continuous bond. Replace it by continuous bond. Okay. Now this I will be of below the plane. Is it clear? Ulta ho gaya. I don't know how. I will make it. Okay. Now select it. Tool. Generate stereo descriptor. S. Clear? Is it clear, madam?
Yes, madam. Very clear.
Okay. Now, यदि आपने structure गलत कर दिया, like see if I remove this R and I do what I write it wrongly, this is against chemistry. And I take this. I feel it will not show the descriptor. Let me see. Tool, generate stereo descriptor. नहीं generate करेगा वो. Because इसने बता दिया कि यहाँ पे ये स्टीरियो सेंटर है, बट वो आर है कि ऐसे वो ये नहीं बता, क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर फॉल्टी हमने उसको राइट करा है. इट इज नॉट रिटन इन अ प्रॉपर वे बिकॉज द बॉन्ड अबव द प्लेन and bond below the plane cannot bisect bonds which are in the plane. This is the wrong way of writing structures. Okay, तो उसने बता दिया कि स्टीरियो सेंटर तो है, पर डिस्क्रिप्टर क्या है, आर है कि ऐसे, वो नहीं बताया. और जैसे ही मैंने इसके बॉन्ड चेंज करे, now what I will do it to make it a bond in a plane, and this is above the plane. Then I will select it and go to tools, generate R. होशियार है हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर. हाँ,
जो भी मिस्टेक होगी वो हमको पता मालूम पड़ जाएगा.
फौरन मालूम. अगर वो यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्टर नहीं दे रहा था, तो इमीडिएटली आपको सोचना चाहिए कि कहीं ना कहीं स्ट्रक्चर में कोई गलती है. ओके, so this is very useful. You can make one stereo center, two stereo center, more than. This is also one of the way of writing structures इस सॉफ्टवेयर के हिसाब से, but this is the most common structure what how we write. Okay, so next is, let's see how we can write all these type of structure, like we want to introduce OH group, butanol, alkanols, alkanones. So it is easy. Suppose I wish to write this structure to butanol. So I will go to first normal. I will take carbon like this. Then I will go to this continuous 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember. Now see what happens. I will tell you. Now take OH, O, oxygen. Now if I wish, I put here, sorry, I have to go to continuous, otherwise it will remove carbon. Now it is OH. Now select it. This is lasso of it. Now select it like this. Now this is the A with the hash. This is numbering. Okay. You will say that OH is, if it is, oh, it is a 1-butanol, it's fine. But numbering should start with this carbon atom. Okay. अब इतना इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है ये, है ना? अब इसको OH को मैं यहाँ से रिमूव करती हूँ and I will put OH here. Continuous like this. नंबरिंग को अभी हटा देती हूँ, फिर आप नंबरिंग देखिएगा, आप सही आएगी. Why? Because I have started writing. This was the first carbon when I started writing. Okay, see again. I will write 5 carbon atoms. From here, methane. This is the first carbon atom. Remember, from the left hand side, I am writing 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, for us, for a chemistry person, if I write OH here, even then it will be a 2-pentanol. If I write here, I take continuous and I put OH here. Okay. So I will start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2-pentanol. Okay. I copy this structure. How I can copy? I will just select, I've not selected. I will take this instant template, put here, and the structure will be. Okay. Now see, I take OH, continuous, then I put OH here, like this. So the name numbering should start with this carbon atom. Okay. See what happens. यहाँ पे हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर हमारा केमिस्ट्री को फॉलो नहीं करता है. See, I will go to number. This is A hash numbering. See, क्योंकि मैंने number, this was my first carbon when I was writing. Okay, so it has given first number to this carbon and OH on the 4th carbon. अगर नंबरिंग इस तरीके से किया और हमारे बच्चे को नंबरिंग नहीं मालूम है ना, नंबरिंग गलत हो गई, तो पूछेगा पहले आपसे कि भाई जहां पे फंक्शनल ग्रुप लगा है, फ्रॉम दैट एंड वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द नंबरिंग. ये गलती नंबर क्यों करा हुआ है? तो व्हाई? सॉफ्टवेयर को यहाँ पे इतना नहीं मालूम है, इतनी केमिस्ट्री नहीं आती उसको. अब यहाँ पे मैंने स्ट्रक्चर सही करा हुआ है, ये देखिए. अब वो बता रहा है कि सेकंड कार्बन एटम के ऊपर यहाँ पे 2 OH लग गए, इसको OH को निकालना है मुझे. हाँ, अब उसने करेक्शन नहीं करा, इसको मैं फिर से डिलीट करने पे वो ऐसा नहीं कि नंबर चेंज कर देगा. अब साथ क्यों दे रहा है वो? उसके दिमाग में बैठ गया, अनडू नहीं कर रहा है. Anyway, what I mean to say, the OH group is at the second carbon atom. Okay. So be careful. Nomenclature सही देगा वो. Nomenclature अगर आप जाएंगे to generate name, it will say pentanol to all, है ना. अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, कंफ्यूजन हो गया. अगर ये स्ट्रक्चर हमने लिख दिया, नंबरिंग ऐसे कर दी, वो कहेगा, बच्चा ये कहेगा कि भाई यहाँ तो 4th कार्बन पे OH लगा हुआ है, आप इसको पेंटेनॉल, पेंटेन टू ऑल बता. यहाँ पे सही आएगा. टूल generate name, painting tool. अब numbering सही है. Okay. Like this, you should be careful. You can delete it. Now, how to write? It is fine. We can write wherever you wish to put to OH group, at the second position, at the third position, wherever you want. No. Ab alkenes, aldehydes. How you can write formaldehyde? Start with always with methane. Okay. Then you wish to have OH group. Now go to continuous. Take O. It is OH. Now take this bond normal and put here. This is. Now it is written CH2O. But you wish to write like this. Again, you will go to continuous bond, take hydrogen, put here one hydrogen, second hydrogen. This is formaldehyde. In the same manner, you can go for acetaldehyde. Let us see what happens if I take carbon, I put here. No, it will not do. Then if you remove it, it will not allow you to remove it. Then I will take continuous and carbon. It is not changing. So again, see what happens. If you have started with one carbon atom, now it will not introduce one more carbon. Okay. If you wish to have acetaldehyde, then you have to start with two carbon atoms. One and the second carbon atom. Now you can have acetaldehyde. Take O, put here, it is O. Then take a bond here. It is double bond. As soon as I put a double bond, one hydrogen will be removed. Take one hydrogen, continuous, and okay. Now if you go to ketone, acetone, now the three carbon atoms you have to chain will be propane. Now 1, 2, 3. Now take O, it is continuous, OH, take this bond, put here, double bond acid. You can rotate it. Isko liya select kara. Then this is the rotation sign. Rotate. You can rotate it. Clear? Continue kare, madam?
Yes, madam. Here.
This we have discussed already. Yes. 1 chloropropane, 2 chloropropane, all these things we have discussed. Now see how we can write this type of instructions. Okay. Now you wish to show this pair of electrons on halogen. Okay. So I will remove it from where I have bought it. I will show you. This is a template window. Okay. Open it. Then you go to Lewis structures. This is open it. It is in alphabetical order Lewis structures. Okay. These are the templates already. Now, if you wish to show formation of this acetone, sorry, acetone, this is, एक और कहाँ चला गया? Yes, no. Alkyne. So one double bond, 1, 2, 3 bonds. No. So कितने electrons हैं? 1 sigma bond, 2 pi bonds. Okay. In all 6 electrons. This is showing 6 electrons. Lewis structure. It is not showing a double bond or triple bond or whatever it is. It is showing that 6 electrons are there. Between carbon and hydrogen, there is there is 2 electrons. These are the Lewis structures. These are the standards, templates, you can have it. Water molecule, ठीक है, hydronium, यहाँ पे देखिए, अब hydronium बन गया, there is a positive charge on oxygen. This. Yeah. Okay. Like this, you can have templates also. Now, from the table, this template table, all sort of combinations are given. This is an odd electron. This is a pair of electron. So you can have a pair of electron and put it. Now, select it, rotate it. It takes time. आपको रोटेशन का साइन दिखेगा वहां पे. Then put. ये रोटेशन है. उसके बाद उठा के वहां रख दीजिए. ठीक है. Same monocyclic alkanes. Okay, same template. Go to this monocyclic alkanes. These are the structures. 12 carbon atom, 13, 14, whatever you wish, you can bring. Okay, say 15. Now in this, you don't see carbon atoms. Okay. So double click it, a window will open, show carbon atoms all, and apply. It will show all the carbon. It is a confusing structure, so I will take a small structure. No, not this. Like it is a cyclopropane. Okay. Cyclopropane, select this structure. Double click it. Multiple selections or actually. Click it. Then you have all carbons are visible. You don't wish to have a carbons. So show carbon all को deselect कर दीजिए. Terminal को deselect कर दीजिए, then apply. Close. This will be cyclopropane. Cyclohexane, double click it, window आ गई, just apply, कार्बन गायब हो गया. अब फिर चले गए, फिर वापस लेके आना है, सिलेक्ट कर दीजिए इसको, apply. Now in the previous structure, I will just go on the previous structure. Now if you wish to have no carbon atom in this structure, okay, deselect it, apply this fluoropropane. Okay. If you say you want only terminal carbon atom to be seen, apply. You will see terminal carbon. So like this, because in most of the books you will write, you will see structures like this, no carbon atom. See. और हमारे यहाँ के बच्चों को अगर आपने ऐसा पढ़ाना शुरू करा तो उनको कुछ नहीं समझ में आता. That's why we write carbon atom. But in standard books, structures are written like this, no carbon. Like this. One moment. So this is a structure, and you can have some structures here also, like this. So you can have, this is cyclohexane. Undo. Control Z function करता है यहाँ पे, हाँ? Now you have this chair form and the board form of cyclohexane. Okay. So again, we will go to templates. Ring structure. Cycling structure. See. Template. Ring structure. Here rings. Okay. You have. So you have for, this is cyclohexane showing hydrogens. This is for writing sugars. Okay, this is structure. This is sugar in chair form. You can have chair form, board form, twisted board form, any structure you can have. This is chair form showing axial and equatorial hydrogens. Similarly, these are the, this is showing which is the, it is plane. Above the plane, which part is above the plane and which is below the plane. You can select like this. Now, if you don't want carbon to be seen, don't wish, again double click it. All replace it. Yes. This is about the plane. उसको मैंने कलर कर दिया, इसमें कुछ नहीं, इस हाइड्रोजन को सिलेक्ट करिए, यहाँ पे कलर ले लीजिए, कौन सा करना है, ये सिलेक्शन. So I have made it to show all axials are red in color, all equatorials are blue in color. When chair flips, all axial becomes equatorial and equatorial becomes axial. So this is I have shown.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have another question.
Yeah.
मैम जब हम लोग ये टेम्पलेट में से सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं रिंग स्ट्रक्चर, तो व्हेन आई एम सिलेक्टिंग ऑन माय लैपटॉप आई एम गेटिंग दिस रिंग स्ट्रक्चर, बट यू आर गेटिंग CH2 स्ट्रक्चर, so how are you?
हाँ, वो मैंने बताया ना आपको, अगर ये स्ट्रक्चर आ रहा है,
हाँ,
कौन सा लिया, साइक्लोप्रोपेन लिया क्या?
हाँ मैम,
हाँ, साइक्लोप्रोपेन आप लीजिए इसको, आपका उसमें सॉरी Z ना, ये लिया मैंने, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग कार्बन्स,
no ma'am, we are not getting that.
हाँ, you just select this है ना, and select this structure, don't select it, just double click it, नहीं, एक मिनट,
डबल क्लिक करने से वो कॉपी पेस्ट हो रहा है।
नहीं 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 नहीं, सिलेक्शन करिए, डबल क्लिक करिए, हुआ, ओपन हुआ विंडो, किसी भी स्ट्रक्चर को करेंगे आप,
हाँ, हो गया मैम,
हो गया, हाँ, अब यहाँ पे करिए शो कार्बन्स ऑल, ओके, देन अप्लाई,
हाँ मैम,
हो गया, हाँ, इसी में आपको इसको सिलेक्ट करिए, डबल क्लिक करिए, देन यू विल हैव, यहाँ पर आप बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं, कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखा है एटम, एटम का कलर चेंज कर दीजिए, कौन सा स्टाइल चाहिए आपको, मैंने बुक पेन ओल्ड स्टाइल लिया है, आपको इसको चेंज करना है, कैलिब्री में करना है, कर दीजिए, कलर चेंज करना है, इसको यहाँ से कर दीजिए, रेड कलर ले लीजिए, अप्लाई कर दीजिए, ठीक है, फिर आपको बॉन्ड्स को चेंज करना है, तो बॉन्ड पे जाइए आप, बॉन्ड का विड्थ मैंने जो लिए 1.4 पॉइंट लिया है, इसको कलर चेंज करना है, ब्लू में करना है, तो ब्लू में सेट, अप्लाई, क्योंकि सिलेक्शन अभी एक ही बॉन्ड का हुआ था वहां पे, तो उसने एक को ब्लू कर दिया, इसको भी करेंगे ब्लू में, तो फिर वो ब्लू होगा, 1 by 1 होगा, हाँ, लाइक दिस, ठीक है, ये तो आप खेल होता है, आप सॉफ्टवेयर पे बैठ जाइए, उसके बाद करते रहिए,
प्रैक्टिस है उसको हम और अच्छा कर सकते हैं।
एग्जैक्टली, मतलब ये सारी चीजें मैंने प्रैक्टिस से लर्न करी हैं, करते करते ढूंढते ढूंढते फिर आपको मिलने लगती हैं चीजें, है ना, ये आप लोगों के लिए मैंने ये प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया,
बहुत अच्छा है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मैडम।
देन अब हमें जानना है, हमें न्यूमैन प्रोजेक्शन बनाना है, तो न्यूमैन प्रोजेक्शन के लिए आप जाएंगे टेम्पलेट्स में अगेन, है ना, फिर आप जाएंगे यहाँ पे स्टीरियो टेम्पलेट्स, आपको ऐसा बहुत सारी चीजें दिख गई, सॉहाउस स्ट्रक्चर बना सकते हो आप, न्यूमैन साइक्लोहेक्सेन बना दिया, ये इक्लिप्स फॉर्म ऑफ इथेन बना दिया, आप कुछ भी ले लीजिए, फिर उसके ऊपर मिथिल मिथिल ग्रुप जोड़ते रहिए, तो वो एन-ब्यूटेन बन जाएगा, ओके, ये आपको उसमें चाहिए पड़ते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्सेस में स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए पड़ते हैं, तो वो मिल जाएंगे आपको। अब यहाँ पर ये नहीं था, इक्लिप्स पे जब हम बनाते हैं वो स्ट्रक्चर को, जब न्यूमैन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो ये नहीं था, तो मैंने इसको दो इक्लिप्स इथेन को मैंने मिलाया है यहाँ पर, ये देखिए, ये आपको आना चाहिए करना, ठीक है, नाउ राइटिंग केमिकल इक्वेशन, आपने केमिकल इक्वेशन अब आपको आ गया लिखने के लिए, है ना, इसको सिलेक्ट करा, देखिए कुछ बताता है, कल तो बता रहा था, कभी नहीं बताता है इसका, बता दिया, शुक्र है। अब ये देखिए, यहाँ पे मैंने ये एसिटिक एसिड लिखा हुआ है, इथिल अल्कोहल लिखा है, एसिटेट बना दिया, तो इट शोज कि ये जो OH था, उससे ये जो CH2 है 6 नंबर का ये कार्बन एटम था, वो यहाँ पे जुड़ गया, ठीक है, नंबरिंग दिख रही है आपको, इस फंक्शन पे गए आप, यहाँ पे ये A to A,
Very interesting.
अब ये देखिए एरोज वगैरह कैसे बनाते हैं हम। एरो के लिए हमें ड्रॉ में जाना पड़ेगा। ओके ना, आपको कर्व एरो बनाना है। ठीक है, आपने ये उठाया यहाँ से, इसको यूं बनाया। अब मुझे एरो किस डायरेक्शन में चाहिए, इसको मैंने सिलेक्ट कर लिया, इसको डबल क्लिक करा, ये विंडो खुल गई यहाँ पे। ठीक है, अब आपको कौन सा कलर चाहिए, यू कैन चेंज द कलर। आपको रेड बनाना है, अप्लाई रेड कर दीजिए उसको। अब इसका डायरेक्शन क्या चाहिए आपको। नाउ यू गो टू एरो, यहाँ पे दो है, एक लाइन है ना, एरोज है। नाउ गो टू एरो, you want arrow towards right hand side, take right hand side arrow, apply, ये आ गया। ठीक है, अब मैंने लिया फिर से इसको, मैंने फिर एक बना दिया आज। then I wish to have an arrow at the left hand side, ये डबल बन गया क्योंकि राइट और लेफ्ट दोनों सिलेक्टेड है। इसको मुझे कहाँ करना पड़ेगा, लाइन पे करना पड़ेगा। क्लियर। स्ट्रेट लाइन में भी आप कर सकते हैं, फिर तो जो जिसमें करना है आपको। स्ट्रेट लाइन लेके भी एरो बनाना है, ये बना लिया आपने। ये क्या, ये तो स्ट्रेट लाइन का एरो तो आपको केमिकल रिएक्शन में मिल जाता है। ये इसको बनाने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है। कर्व्ड एरो बनाने के लिए आपको ड्रॉ में जाना पड़ेगा। दिस एरो यू कैन ड्रॉ फ्रॉम दिस स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज प्लस साइन फ्रॉम हियर, दिस इज प्लस साइन। अब आपने एरो लिया यहाँ से, ये कोई भी रिएक्शन है आपने उसको ये ले लिया एरो। आपको कंडीशन डालना है इसके ऊपर कुछ, ये जो लिखा हुआ है डेल्टा एच लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, इसको लीजिए, डबल सिलेक्ट करिए, जो मर्जी है आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे कर। ओके, यहाँ पे एच न्यू दिया हुआ है, डेल्टा दिया हुआ है, टेम्परेचर दिया हुआ है, एसिड की प्रेजेंस, व्हाट एवर यू वांट, एसिड की प्रेजेंस में होता है आप लिख दीजिए एसिड, ओके कर दीजिए, है ना। अब आपकी इच्छा हो रही नहीं, गलत लिख दिया, फिर से ले लीजिए, एसिड नहीं था बेस था वो, तो बेस बना दीजिए, ओके हो गया। बेस नहीं था वो, एच न्यू लाइट की प्रेजेंस में है, लाइट आ गई, टेम्परेचर आ गया, लाइक दिस। या आप अपने तरफ से भी लिख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है से H2O, ओके, H2O। ये इंटेलिजेंट है, खुद ही ने वो सब स्क्रिप्ट कर दिया उसने। ठीक है, या लिखना है आपको Na2SO4, ले लिया उसने अपने। इस तरीके से आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे। फिर यहाँ पे अब ये साइन कैसे आते हैं, ये देखने वाली बात है। ये प्लस साइन है ना, HBR जो लिखा मैंने, है ना, H पे साइन कैसे आया? तो ये H लिया, H2 बन गया। अब कहाँ पर है? स्ट्रक्चर वाले पार्ट पर है, ये साइन का है। नीचे की तरफ आइए आप, ये माइनस साइन दिख रहा है, उसमें प्लस साइन भी है। ठीक है, आपने प्लस को उठाया, यहाँ पे गए, इस पे लगाया प्लस, तो एक H अपने आप गायब हो जाएगा वहां से। फिर आपको BR माइनस लिखना था, HBR ले लीजिए, कुछ भी लिख दीजिए। यहाँ से आपको माइनस साइन चाहिए, उठाइए माइनस BR। अगर आपको फिश एरो बनाना है तो वो भी प्रोविजन है। ड्रॉ में गए, आपने ये लिया, एरो बनाया, मुझे फिश एरो चाहिए, फिर मैं एरो पे जाऊंगी, ये फिश एरो बनाऊंगा, अप्लाई। क्यों आया इस तरफ एरो? क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैंने एरो सिलेक्टेड है, इसको मैं जैसे ही लाइन ले लूंगी, अप्लाई करूंगी, फिश एरो। जब हमारा सिंगल बॉन्ड का मूवमेंट दिखाना है तो फिश एरो चाहिए मुझे। रेजोनेंस दिखाना है, स्ट्रेट लाइन ली, स्ट्रेट लाइन ली, ड्रॉ करा, एरो पे गए, रेजोनेंस ये ले लिया, इसमें गए, ये ले लिया, अप्लाई, रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर। ये परफेक्ट, आपको कितना हाइट चाहिए, कितना पॉइंट चाहिए, वो तो यहाँ से आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं। और एक बार आपने स्टैंडर्ड बना लिया तो उसको बाय डिफॉल्ट सेट कर दीजिए, तो आपका बनता रहेगा, उतनी ही थिक लाइन बन जाएगी, वो सब होता है। मुझे कार्बोकेटाइन लिखना है यहाँ पर, so I will make propane, carbon, 1 carbon, 2, 3. Now I will take positive charge, I will put here क्लियर। फ्री रेडिकल बनाना है तो यहाँ पे ही होगा, ये सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन भी है, विद ऑड इलेक्ट्रॉन भी है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज। या तो लिस्ट स्ट्रक्चर्स उठा लाइए, यहाँ से भी मिल जाएगा, कहीं से भी मिल जाएगा।
मैडम ये कार्बन के ऊपर हमको शो करना वो साइन,
वो कार्बन पे नहीं आ रहा है मैडम,
नहीं आ रहा है ना,
वो वही, दिस इज द ड्रॉबैक, दिस इज ड्रॉबैक। और अपन बाहर से लगाएंगे तो हाइड्रोजन कम नहीं होंगे, वो डिफिकल्ट आ जाता है। उस केस में फिर आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, ड्रॉ में चाहिए, यहाँ से लेके फिर आप अपने हाथ से लिखते रहिए, है ना, ये फिर वो डिफिकल्ट है, उसका कोई फिर केमिस्ट्री का कोई मतलब नहीं है। CH3 आपने लिखा, फिर यहाँ पे इसको 3 को सिलेक्ट करा, वो फिर कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका। हाँ, वो कोई मतलब नहीं, वो तो फिर एज गुड एज राइटिंग फ्रॉम कीबोर्ड।
यस मैम।
वो नहीं आता, कार्बन पे नहीं आता। वो मेरे ख्याल से इनके पेड वर्जन पे होगा या फिर उनके जो मॉडिफाइड होंगे उसमें हो सकता है, आई डोंट नो। पर मैंने काफी कोशिश करी कि उसको मैं कार्बन पे ले आऊं इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को, तो नहीं होता।
बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग।
हाँ मैडम, वो तो जितने देखते चले जाओ मिलते चले जाते हैं।
लिमिटेड आपको सब सामने आ जाएगा, सारी स्टेप नेम आ जाएगा, कहाँ गलती हो रही है मॉडल से,
सब है ना।
बहुत ही वेरी क्विक,
या
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग।
चलिए ये हो गया। एक चीज और थी, यदि इस रिएक्शन को मैं लेती हूँ, सिलेक्ट करती हूँ, I don't know whether it will show or not. Structure. इसके बाद मैडम बस इतना हो गया कि अब आप उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करा दिया मैंने।
जी मैडम,
I have introduced this software. Now you can
practice
as per your requirement, you know. So most of the features I have discussed here. This is one of the feature which I have not discussed with you. This is how to delete. I will make a chain of carbon atoms.
Thanks for the wonderful session. If anybody has any query.
No questions? Fine.
If anybody has any question, they can ask. So from this session, we understand that chemistry software has a powerful set of the tools to calculate or predict physical or chemical properties, generate spectra, construct correct IUPAC names, and calculate reactions in chemistry field practically. वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की। वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की। रखते हैं जो हौसला आसमान छूने की, उनको नहीं रहती परवाह कभी गिर जाने की। With these lines, I would like to call my dearest friend Shruti Bainwal to propose a vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I'm Shruti Benwal, student of BSc third year, and it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Sri Sathya Sai College.
एक मिनट, हो गया, क्रॉस करो।
First of all, I would like to extend a hearty and sincere thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Rashmi Saxena ma'am, who spared her time and from her busy schedule to grace this program. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and gave us the knowledge on how to chemistry software efficiently. I immensely thank you for your ideas, effort, and elegance of explanation. A special mention to our respected principal, Dr. Asha Agarwal ma'am, Vice Principal, Dr. Jyotsna Galgale ma'am, for being the catalyst that came us to do our best and standing as a pillar of strength. I would also like to thank Chemistry Department for organizing an enormously beneficial program. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank our benevolent teachers, technical staff, and students for their great presence and for making this program a success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. Very interesting session.
Thanks all of you for patient listening, and I hope my lecture was beneficial to you and you will definitely make use of this software. And
Definitely.
Thanks for inviting me for this lecture. It is my opportunity to interact with you people. It is very nice to be with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. अब कुछ और प्रॉब्लम होगा फिर हम आपको डिस्टर्ब करेंगे और आपसे क्वेरीज.
Sure. Anytime you can ask me.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको अब ये हुआ कि हाँ यस कभी बच्चे भी हैं जो प्रेजेंटेशन बनाने में यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yes, definitely they should use. Okay, thank you.